Almighty Father and ruler of the universe.
I now request Rotaractor Avinash Kulal, outgoing president, for the words of greetings.
It's a great honor and privilege for me to welcome you all to the installation ceremony of the Rotaract Club of Mangalore City for the year 24-25. I would like to extend a warm welcome to our distinguished chief guest and installation officer, Rotarian Brian Pinto, President of the Rotary Club of Mangalore Central. We are grateful to have you as a chief guest. Warm welcome to you, sir. A special welcome to our PDG MD Rotarian Dr. B. Devdas Rai, sir, our club chairman, who is the support system to the club, and welcome to you, sir. Of the Rotaractors.
Rotarians, Rotaractors, guests and invitees. It's my privilege to present the report for the club activities for the year 2023-24.
Of the new Rotaract year, I invite Rotarian Brian Pinto, President of RC Mangalore Central, who will now install the new office bearers for the year. I request the dignitaries to join. Bulletin Editor, Rotaractor Joyce. The office bearers. We have the PRO, Rotaractor Fiola, but she has not joined us today. Dr. Varun Rai, who has not joined us today. Vocational Service Director, Rotaractor Abhijit. Can we have a round of applause? Rotaractor Kavya BS. Kavya BS, selected as Community Service Director, Rotaractor Shraddha Keshav Ramak. Treasurer, taking in charge of Treasurer, Rotaractor Hardik. And this is the Treasurer, Rotaractor Hardik V. Rotaractor Avinash Kulal. Rotaractor Biddappa MA. Can we continue the applause? It is Biddappa, Rotaractor Biddappa MA.
Position of the Rotaract Club of Mangalore City, swear in the name of God that I shall faithfully and conscientiously serve my club. May God be with me. Now all of you, let us have the group photograph. The last year's board, ably supported by our past president and IPZRR, Arjun Prakash, have done a wonderful job, and I would like to appreciate the unwavering dedication and hard work. I will try hard to carry forward the torch you have so brilliantly lit. John F. Kennedy once said, "Leadership and learning are indispensable to each other." So, as we embark on this new chapter together, I am reminded of the core values of Rotaract: fellowship, leadership, and service. Rotaract is more than just a club. It is a family united by a shared vision of making a positive impact in the world. We will continue to work together to uphold the spirit of Rotary through our Rotaract wing to create meaningful change in our community and beyond. My vision for this year is to build on a strong foundation laid by our predecessors and to explore new horizons of club service and engagement. We will focus on impactful projects like promoting skill-based education, healthcare, supporting environmental sustainability, and so on. And the club, as we all know, as we have heard in the previous year's report, has been doing a very good job, and they are continuous projects which have been with us for a long time now. Okay. Collaboration will be at the heart of all our endeavors. By strengthening our partnership with other Rotaract clubs, we can amplify our impact and reach more people. Lastly, I want to express my gratitude to our club chairman, Rotarian PDG MD Dr. Devdas Rai, without whom our club would not have been where it is today. I would also like to thank Rotarian Brian Pinto, President of Rotary Club of Mangalore Central, for his encouragement and support. A special word of gratitude to all our mentors and advisors, especially from our parent club and the past presidents of our Rotaract club, for their guidance and motivation. Your wisdom and encouragement are invaluable, and we are fortunate to have you by our side as we navigate the challenges and opportunities ahead. In closing, I'm filled with hope and determination as we embark on this journey together. And as Mary Shelley rightly says, the beginning is always today. Have a great evening.
President Bidappa, Secretary Akshay, Chairman and Mentor, Rotaract, Rotarian PDG MD Dr. Devdas Rai, actors, Rotarians and my dear friends. It is my honor to come here today and be your installing officer. I thank you for that. First of all, I would like to thank the outgoing President Avinash. After Akshay read the report, I have understood how all of you all have had a successful year 23-24. So congratulations for that. And I also congratulate the incoming team, President Bidappa, Akshay and his team. You have a challenging year ahead, and I hope you make it great. Now, coming to today's event, I think Rotaract Mangalore City is 30 years old now. So we had 30 presidents, past presidents, okay? And every year you had growth. So 30 years of growth is quite a lot. And with the able mentorship of our chairman, Dr. B. Devdas Rai, we have seen lot of great leaders coming in. You have Ganesh Bhatt, you have Daryl, who have taken up higher end posts. Okay, you are having new Rotaractors who are taking up the challenging position of the president. Why I call a president position challenging is because he has to listen to all of you all. He can't hurt you all. He has to understand you all. He has to keep you all together. He has to see that the program happens in time. And, you know, all the good things, he will put it to the members. And any challenging things, he will take it on himself. So, a president's year is more of a sacrificing year. Am I right, Avinash? Yes. But apart from the sacrificing here, the leadership, what he shows in that year, taking along all his members, that makes a difference. So I think, Avinash, after 1 year of this, you have learnt a lot. So next thing, your next post is ZRR, right? You will be going still further. And the learning process has now come to Bidappa. And he was so happy to take that post. I'm really happy for you, Bidappa, okay? I think you will become, you will take this club to greater heights with the collaborative effort of your members. I was a Don Bosco candidate. So in Bombay and Goa, when I was in Don Bosco, we had junior JCs there. So I was a JC that time. When I came to Mangalore due to certain reasons, I never was introduced or I never knew what was Rotaract. So by the time I joined, Doctor somehow saw that he pulled me in Rotary. But I should have been in Rotaract. Why we have Interact, Rotaract, and then you come to Rotary is by the time you reach Rotary, you are already a leader. You are having the qualities of the leader, you have self-groomed yourself, you have taken charge of projects. So when you reach Rotary, you can take a bigger responsibilities, bigger challenges. So that's the reason when the Rotary movement started, it started first with the Interact. And then from Interact to Rotaract, there was quite a age difference. So to bridge that gap, the Rotaract movement was started. So that proper foundations from Interact, then to Rotaract, then to Rotary. At the end, what we get by joining Rotary is we self-develop ourselves, we know what is leadership, we take responsibility towards society, needs of the society, we make a difference in the society, in the community, and in our area, or if we tie up with other clubs, maybe a larger portion of the area.
I'm delighted to introduce the club chairman, Rotarian, PDG MD, Dr. B. Devdas Rai, who has an impressive history within the Rotaract and Rotary. Sir began his journey in 1992 at the Rotary Club of Mudabidri, where he held the positions of Vice President and Bulletin Editor. In 1995, he transitioned to the Rotary Club of Mangalore Central.
City, Rotaractor Biddappa, the secretary of the club for this year, Rotaractor Akshay Ray, the chief guest of this installation ceremony and the installation officer, plus the president of the Rotary Club of Mangalore Central, Rotarian Brian Pinto, immediate past president, plus zonal Rotaract representative Canara Zone, Karavali Zone, which has got 9 clubs, I think, in it. Rotaractor Avinash Kulal, all distinguished members of the Rotary Club of Mangalore Central, the Rotaractors of Mangalore City, Rotaractors of Srinivas, and I don't know who else is there, other clubs. Ladies and gentlemen, it was in the year 1954 that Royce Abbey introduced themes into Rotary. ACT was the first theme. These themes were supposed to, galvanize the Rotarians towards one focus area. So we have been having very good themes down the years. Unfortunately, the Rotary Board of Directors have decided to do away with the theme. This is the last year of the Rotary theme. I think very unfortunate thing, but can't do anything about it. So Stefani Urchik, the present president of Rotary International from the Rotary Club of McMurray, Pennsylvania, has given to the Rotary world a beautiful theme, the magic of Rotary. So I was wondering what to speak today, because I have spoken about different topics in Rotaract. Last year I gave some HR stories, 4 or 5. I thought, let me talk about the magic of the Rotaract Club of Mangalore City. How the Rotaract Club of Mangalore City has done magic down the years. So I phoned up few members. I phoned up past Dr. Jayaprakash Rao. I think he was supposed to come. I phoned up past Rotaractor and present president of the Rotary Club of Mangalore City, said Hirachand Karkera. I phoned up Ganesh, he's there. And they gave me the inputs. Then Hirachand told me that the Rotaract Club of Mangalore City had, of course, I was also there, had celebrated the Silver Jubilee in the boat club and had brought out a souvenir. Actually, I had the souvenir with me because I preserve all the things, but I had not read the souvenir. Yesterday, I thought, let me read the souvenir. Hirachand Karkera has done a beautiful job of chronicling the story of Rotaract, Mangalore City. So I would like to thank him. Today he is not there because he is at his first meeting. He's come? Oh, sorry. He said he'll come anyway. Thank you, Hira. Because you have to see, whatever he has done, I have to. So it was in the year 1992, October 20th, that the Rotarians of Mangalore Central decided to start a Rotaract club. Then there was one Rotaract club, that is the Rotaract Club of Mangalore Central. It was sponsored by the Rotary Club of Mangalore, which was doing very well. Satish Pai, our president, decided that we must start a Rotaract club. 28 Rotaractors joined together and started, or rather the Rotary Club of Mangalore Central started the Rotaract Club of Mangalore City. That was the start of the magic. In 1992, the club was inaugurated on October 20th. Am I right about the date, Hira? I think, because see, I'm trying to read without the notes. I tried to do that, but this is first time. So then in 1992, then what used to happen is the club will be inaugurated, but the club will not be chartered. Nowadays, it's very simple. You start the club, within 1 month, RI gives, but there they wait. There Lakatte, I had to wait for 1 year, not 1 year, for quite some time for the charter. So the charter came only in May 17th, 1994. So officially the club is from May 17th. But didn't they do work? They did work. They started work right away. And what did they do? The first project was Art for Peace. Then the Babri Masjid issue was there, lot of galata was going on. The Rotaractors decided to get very distinguished artists from all over the state and had a painting exhibition, Art for Peace in Town Hall. What a fantastic thing, magic of Rotaract. That was 92. 93, they had quite a significant projects, including the Boot It. Boot It was a very famous intercollegiate variety entertainment run for several years by the Rotaract Club of Mangalore City. So that was 93. Then of course 94 came the charter. 94 a lot of activities came, and they had a distribution of benches to government schools in Karambar, and 95, 96 was a benchmark. In fact 96 was a benchmark year in the history of Rotaract Club of Mangalore City. They started the Vandana Awards, and the Vandana Awards was not for what the present thing is, it was for silent people. From 96 to 2004, the Rotaractors did it very, very conscientiously. Later on, the Rotary Club got involved. Why I am telling this is, most of our Rotarians don't know. They think the Vandana Award is a Rotaract project. It was conceived by Rotaract. Then why Rotary entered is because we needed more people, and then we made it Achievers Award. 96 was one more year when the Rotaract Club was involved in the Rotary Club in the ICE 96. Okay, the Roto Consumex Karavali Utsav. And the Rotaract Club has been associated with the Rotary Karavali, was associated with Rotary Karavali Consumer Exhibition till the Rotary came out of it. Then of course came 1997 when the Rotaract Club started what is known as Tuesday Rotaract Talks. Every Tuesday you have a different talk. So that was 97. 97 also they started the sapling drive, which is going on through and through the years. Then in 97, they started, or rather they got involved in the inter-district youth exchange program. Rotaractors from outside come here, stay, Rotaractors from here. So we had from Vapi, we had from several places. For about 5-6 years, the Rotaract inter-district youth exchange program was continued by the Rotaractors. Then we had one program called Vivida. Vivida in 1995, 96 actually. It is for the dropouts from schools. And the people who are working, the youngsters, we had a cultural and so many. So that was Vivida. Came 98, 99, when a very significant thing happened in Rotaract Club of Mangalore City. For the first time in the history of the club, there was a DRR, District Rotaract Representative, and then the district had about more than 50 to 60 clubs. Rotarian Jayaprakash Rao, who is now, of course, he should have been in the Rotary Club of Mangalore Central, but he is in the Rotary Club of Mangalore, was the first DRR from this club. And we had Parivarthan, a very successful district conference held at Town Hall. That was 98, 99. Then we had Sinchana, the immediate next year, the zonal conference. Then 2000 was another earmark year. That was when 2001, 2002, when the Rotaract Club got started career guidance programs. Career guidance programs for students all over, that was the year 2002. Then later on, in 2001 to 2002, the Rotaractors started celebrating the Independence Day and the Republic Day every year. Independence Day, this time also they celebrated, but for many years it was in the Akash Bhavan school. So that was a thing which started in the year 2002. Then came 2004 and 5, when the Rotaractors got involved in community service projects in Gurupura. Lot of developmental activity in Gurupura. Then of course, in the year 2007, the Rotaractors got involved in skills development courses, several skills development courses. 2008, 2009 was another earmark year for the Rotaract Club of Mangalore City. I am not mentioning the presidents because every president had done good work, so I am not. That was the year when the club was adjudged as the best Rotaract club in RI District 3180. They had 66 awards, and in one day they did 23 projects, Vision 23. That was a dynamic year in the history of Rotaract Club of Mangalore City. 2009 and 10 also a lot of activities. 2010 and 11, before they hosted the Canara Zonal Conference, they hosted the district sports, they hosted the zonal sports, so many things. 2012 and 13, when I was a governor, At that time also I continued as a chairman of the club, and at that time Shailendra Rao, the district Rotaract chairman, asked me, sir, you governor, illa, Rotaract is in my blood, I have to. So 2012-13 was another good year. 2014 was where the Rotaract Club got involved in certain innovative projects, associate with other Rotaract clubs and associate with the parent Rotary Club and all. 2016 and 17 was the year when the Mahadan project was introduced. Mahadan is a project of Ganesh, Rotaractor Ganesh. He actually gave the idea to the Rotaract India and all over India blood donation camps, major, massive. That was 2015-16. So 2016 and 17, again zonal conferences, skills development, and so many, several dental camps, medical camps, and help to the orphanages and all. 2019 and 20, another year mark for Rotaract Club of Mangalore City. Rotarian Rotaractor PHF Ganesh GT Bhatt, who was in the Rotaract Club of Subramania, and we pulled him here, I pulled him here, was the second district Rotaract representative from the club. In fact, before there was one, he is here, Vikas Shetty. He was supposed to take charge. In fact, I also went to Kundapur when they elected him unanimously as the DRR. But later on, of course, he had second thoughts of it. Otherwise, he would have been also a DRR. Then we pressed, in fact, Mohandas Bandar, late Dr. Mohandas Bandar and I took Harish Adyar and then tried to make him the DRR. So there would have been two more DRRs. Anyway, that is all life. But Harish Adyar became the ZRR, Vikas Shetty became the ZRR. Vikas Shetty organized a beautiful zonal conference in Lions Seva Mandir. Harish Adyar organized a fantastic zonal conference in, I think it was in Pilikula. No, where was it, Harish? In Pilikula. So all these were there. So 2019 and 20, Ganesh took charge as the DRR, and a phenomenal year that was. There was the directory which was released, and lot of activities went on in 2019 and 20. 2021 and 22, the third DRR from the club, Rotarian Rotaractor PHF Daryl Stephen D'Souza, another dynamic Rotaractor. Fantastic. In fact, that year I should mention, the Rotaract Club of Mangalore City organized an international meet. That is, the installation of the Rotaract South Asia Office, MD South Asia Office President, plus the ROAR. ROAR is a training program in our Hotel Sai Palace. What a fantastic show. In fact, Daryl should go down as, I think, the only DRR who did two important shows that year. That was 2021-22. Subsequently, the club has continued its good legacy, and just now you heard what the club has done last year. It is the only Rotaract club which meets weekly every week, except I think Puttur is the other one. Continuously, without any break. Even if 2 people are there, we meet. Even if 4 people are there, we meet. And at that time, I am reminded of Shantara Manjur. He would have taken charge as the president of the Rotaract Club of Mangalore City in 2006 and 7. And there were occasions when I and Shantara Manjur alone 2 people only used to be there in the club. He used to tell, Budiyaraji sir, Rajana. This boy had a tragic accident just a few months or rather few weeks before his installation. He met head-on collision in Kuppepadav and died. So he started the Shantara Manjur Memorial Rotaract Quiz. And since then, till date, we have been organizing it for the past 18 years, a district level Rotaract Awareness Quiz. That is one thing. And then the Vandana Awards. The Vandana Awards is now the talk of the town. Of course, Rotary is a major partner, but Rotaract is also there. Shiny Wilson. See, we honor, we don't go for any lobbying and all. We select somebody who will say, she deserves it. Shiny Wilson, nobody else will. Everybody will say, she deserves it. Santosh Hegde, Justice Santosh Hegde, Sadananda Shetty, Dr. A.J. Shetty, Javagal Srinath, Bhagwat Subramanya Chandrasekhar. See the awardees. In fact, all the press people tell you give fantastic, sir. And one thing is no money. See, most of these awardees, more of the awards are concerned with money. They give, no. We give them money. Salumarada Timmaka, we give them 25,000. So, this Vandana Award is another, of course, benchmark project of the Rotary and the Rotaract. And then, of course, the Chinnara Utsava. Chinnara Utsava is as much as a project of Rotary, as a Rotaract, as it is Rotary. 500 to 1,000 children. Last year, 500 children from different child care institutions are brought to one place. And day in their life is made miserable. This year also will continue that. So, and this Chinnara Utsava has earned the Rotary Club of Mangalore Central the Gulab Devi Sabu Award, which is the highest award for community service in India. So that is about the Chinnara Utsava. Similarly, of course, so many other projects, help to orphanages, so many things. Last year they did. In fact, one thing which I liked very much about Avinash Kulal's here is skills development. They went to the schools in all villages and taught them skills, because all of them are teachers. The transformation is, the Rotaract Club of Mangalore City is a community-based club. So all community-based people are there, and the transformation is from all over. Now it has become mostly an Aloysius-based club. Most of the people are from Aloysius, but all gems. And they were instrumental in starting the Rotaract Club of St. Aloysius College, sponsored by the Rotary Club of Mangalore North. See, we are selfless. We don't think of... and also, 1 year we helped the Rotary Club of Mangalore to start one more Rotaract. Harish Adyar was involved, but unfortunately, they couldn't continue it. Now, talking about the presidents who have served the club very well, starting with the charter president, Rotarian Jaya Prakash Rao. Then we have Harish Adyar, we have Hirachan Karkera, we have Vikas Shetty, we have Lohit Shetty, we have, of course, Daryl and Ganesh already mentioned. Then, of course, our Arjun Prakash, Avinash Kulal, Rajesh Tewadiga, he's there, I think, already. Rajesh Tewadiga. Then you had your Hariprasad Rai. One more thing I forgot is Sheldon Krasta, who is already joined our Rotary. Anybody else, please mention, because I may. Keshav Ramakunja, why should I wait? How can I miss him? He is the one who initiated the afforestation drives. This year he has started Kasvi Hasiru Dibbana and medicinal plants. Then, of course, Shailesh Udani. Then Vikas Shetty, I mean, so many, all brilliant presidents, all people who have, in fact, I should take the credit, because sometimes you have to blow your own trumpet also, of building so many leaders. Harish Adyar, Hirachan Karkera, Jayaprakash Rao, then, of course, all people like Satish Bola always says, Ivarella Devdasraya Garadiyalli Beledavaru. Some of them joined other clubs, no problem. Anyway, but unfortunately, the Rotary Board of Directors, I don't know who will advise them. They have made very wrong decisions. One wrong decision is taking away the theme. That is John Hugo. Hugo wants the Rotary to be brand Puma, like that brand Rotary. It will not happen. One. Number two is, they have started levying semi-annual dues on the Rotaract clubs, Rotaractors. $5 for institution-based clubs and $8 for the... So a lot of clubs are dying. Lot of clubs. Rotaract movement is slowly... But who is to tell them? So that is one thing. And then they have increased the age limit. Okay, increase the age limit to 40. 18 to 40. They have made it limitless. Now any Rotarian also can join. It's a foolish thing. Anyway, that besides the point. Now I'll come to the main thing which I do always. Avinash Kulal and of course, he is not there here today, Varun Rai, have carried the club to greater heights and have seen that the club is in the forefront of RI District 3181. So I would request everyone in the audience to stand up and accept Avinash Kulal and give him, of course, Varun Rai, a standing ovation. Holy celebration in Suddhananda Seva Ashrama. For several years we did it. So there are so many things, because Rotaractors are always a lot of ideas. So, yes, Santosh, thank you. Gandhi Jayanti was a project of the Rotaract Club of Mangalore City. Venugopala Kaikamba. He went to the DC, he went to the Revenue Department, and they started the march, that is the peace march from BJP office to this one. And today the city corporation, it is Rotaract Club and Rotary Club. Gandhi Jayanti, one of the most significant activities of the Mangalore City. So these are some of the activities. And now a lot of new people are there. I see a lot of new blood today. A lot of new people are joining. Engineers are there. Then professionals are there. All people. Doctor is there. One doctor is there. So this club, let it go on from strength to strength. And my cooperation with the club is always there. I was an interactor, like Avinash, I think Brian mentioned. I was the president of the Interact Club of Manipal Junior College. I was a Rotaractor. I was a ZRR. I was the president of the Rotaract Club of Mangalore City, Manipal. I would have been a DRR. And then I came to Rotary. So that's how it is. Thank you for the patient hearing.
Chairman, PDG, MD, Rotarian Dr. Devdas Rai. Thank you, sir, for being exceptional, committed, and inspiring. I would also like to thank our past presidents, members of the clubs, to taking our club to this greater height. I'm sure we'll work hard, we'll try our hard to meet these expectations. Thank you one and all. It's time to welcome our new members. I would like to call upon Rotaractor Joyce to take over.
Mr. Rakshan, civil engineer, and as you join us today on this self-development, service and fellowship.
Mr. Roshan, Mr. Rakshal, Allah, and Mr. Dominic. Please hold your hands in front of me and repeat the Rotaract oath. I, please mention your name. Swear before this assembly of fellow Rotaract, my club, by regular attendance at club meetings and full participation in committee work. I also pledge that I shall follow the four-way test in thought and action. I also pledge that I shall exert every available influence to me to promote peace, understanding, goodwill and betterment among all fellow beings. Dr. Agraj, now you can keep the head. Mr. Dominic, Mr. Roshan and Mr. Rakshal. From now on, you'll be addressed as Rotarian Dr. Rotaractor Dr. Agraj, Rotaractor Dominic, Rotaractor Roshan and Rotaractor Rakshal. Welcome to the Rotaract Club of Bangalore City.
Both have brought laurels to our club. A hearty congratulations to both our distinguished members. To take over.
To recognize the presence of our installation officer, Rotarian Brian Pinto, also our club chairman, Rotarian major donor Dr. B. Devdas Rai, also our immediate past president of Rotary Club of Mangalore Central, Rotarian Rajesh Shetty, our past president, Rotarian P.P. Santosh Shet, also Rotarian Rajesh Sitaram, secretary of Rotary Club of Mangalore Central, Rotarian Bhaskar Rai, and Geeta madam, thank you so much for coming. And with us our Rotarian M.V. Malya sir, Rotarian Ronald Mendonca sir. Also we have with us Rotarian Sai Baba Rao, Rotarian Shaji PR, Rotarian Shaji Divakaran, Rotarian Bashir, Rotarian Pradeep Kulal, Rotarian Prakash Acharya, and President of Rotary Club of Rotary Seaside, Hirachand Karkera, Rotarian Vikas Shetty, and our Rotarians Jackson Saldana and Rotarian Sheldon Costa, Rotarian Ashwin, and Rotarian Bashir Raito, and Rotaractors from Srinivas College, Shakir Ahmad, President of Rotary Club of Srinivas College, and Akshay, ISD of Srinivas College, and Vinith, Youth Service Director of Rotary Club of Srinivas College, and our past President of Rotary Club of Mangalore City, Rotaractor Keshav Ramakunja, and Rotaractor Rajesh Devadiga, and I think I covered all, and our media members Surendra Karkare and Ganesh, and I think I covered all the members. If any, and our immediate past president, Avinash Kula's wife, Devika, and immediate past ZRR Arjun Prakash. Thank you for coming and auspicious on this occasion.
As the president hands over the memento to the chief guest. And
So we have come to the end of installation ceremony for the year 2024-25. But before ending for any formal function, it is the duty of the secretary to thank each and every individual who have made the ceremony a successful one. I take this opportunity to thank the parent club, Rotary Club of Mangalore Central, for chattering and nurturing us all throughout and in times to come.